In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple elements on Wix. This is an incredibly useful skill for anyone who wants to streamline their web design workflow or make batch adjustments to their site design elements efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up the Wix website editor. To do this, simply log into your Wix account, navigate to the site you wish to edit, and open it in the editor. This is where you'll make all your design and content changes. Once inside the editor, your next task is to choose and click on an element. When you hover over the elements on your page, you'll see guidelines or borders highlighting different sections, images, text boxes, or any other component of your site. Clicking on an element will select it, although right now it's only a single element that's highlighted. Now, if you wish to select multiple elements at once, this is where the keyboard shortcut comes in handy. Press and hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, use your mouse to left-click on another element that you want to add to your selection. You'll notice both elements are now selected, evidenced by the borders or outlines they share. This allows you to perform group actions on them, such as aligning them, changing their color, or even deleting them all at once without having to select and modify each individually. If, at any point, you want to select additional or different elements, continue to hold down the Shift key and click on any other elements that you want to include in your selection. Remember, this can be a mix of different kinds of elements, whether they're text, images, buttons, or something else entirely. This functionality is especially beneficial if you're working on a large-scale website and need to keep your design consistent across multiple pages. That's all there is to it. By mastering this simple combination of shift and mouse clicks, you can significantly improve your efficiency in editing and customizing your website. Not only will this save time, but it will also give you much greater control over your design process, allowing you to perfect the look and feel of your site. And there you have it. The ability to select multiple elements in Wix is a powerful tool in web design, making your task much easier and more efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that you're able to put this new skill to good use on your current or future Wix projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!